Now Aaron joins us for weather, and Aaron, it has just been a pretty gloomy day.
It has. Those clouds have been thick. We've seen some fog roll in. In fact, the fog is going to stick around with us through the overnight hours. Started to build in towards the latter portions of the evening hours, and we're going to see it grow on the denser side as we head towards about that sunrise hour. So we may even see a dense fog advisory as we head towards the middle of the night. We did only briefly warm into the 60s today, 63 degrees, well below where we should be for this time of the year. Coming from a low of 54 degrees, picked up about a half an inch of rain throughout the past 24 hours. That puts our yearly total over an inch of rainfall, and a very slight chance of rainfall is possible as we head towards the middle of the week. Right now, Southern Pine Electric Power Radar is scanning the skies. We have some shower activity back off in central portions of Alabama, but other than that, just a few drizzle activity, and that's going to stick around for the better part of the evening hours. 57 degrees right now at NES Meridian, 56 in Philadelphia, 58 degrees in Meridian, a little bit warmer south, and that's thanks in large part to a surface low sitting right on that Mississippi-Alabama border. We're on the back side of that surface low, so we're seeing temperatures we're seeing that cooler air bring in some of those cooler temperatures, and below that surface low, you're still seeing temperatures sit in the mid to upper 60s, even a few 70s out there, and dew point wise, everyone's still sitting a little bit in the 50s as well. So that surface low continuing to trek its way off to the east, and we're going to see that diminish, and we're going to see high pressure build back in. So may even see a few stray showers as we head towards that AM hour. And speaking of those dew points, you can see everyone sitting in the 50s, 57 in Meridian, 56 dew point in Jackson, 57 in Montgomery. Dew point still in the 60s to our south, but for the most part, everyone across the Twin States is going to see some form of patchy fog to dense fog, especially as we head towards that sunrise hour, and don't expect it to lift until we head towards about the 10-11 a.m. hour. So as we go throughout the next couple of days, the surface low going to etch off towards the east. We're going to see those clouds slowly but surely begin to clear out. We're going to stay up under overcast skies through today. Then high pressure is going to build in, making for a very pleasant midweek. And then as we head towards about Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to watch a cold front that's going to begin to impact us from our northwest. And we're not going to really get anything in the form of Gulf moisture return back into the area. So we're looking at very light to limited shower activity across the region. So for tonight, we're going to see those drizzle activities. Temperatures fall down into the 50s, staying with thick cloud coverage tonight, even into tomorrow. Northern locations tomorrow may make it into the mid to upper 60s as that clouds begin to clear out of the area from the north to the south. And then that high pressure builds in, and we warm up quite nicely as we head towards Tuesday after coming from a very chilly start to the day, sitting in the 40s. So for tonight, we're going to call it a low of about 54 degrees, overcast, drizzle possible, dense fog. On our way to tomorrow, we're only going to warm into the 60s, 64 degrees, thick clouds, AM stray shower, that fog lifting by 10 a.m. And then as we head towards Tuesday, 75 degrees, some AM fog possible with that as well, 80 degrees Wednesday. And we're talking about that cold front that's going to impact us Thursday into Friday, bringing us some cooler temperatures for the weekend. You wake up Saturday and Sunday, we're going to be sitting in the 30s.
Wow.
So spring's trying to make its way here.
Is it? It's trying? Okay. I'll take your word for it, Aaron.